Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So let's be real. If you've ever walked into a skincare store or gone down a rabbit hole on skincare TikTok, you've probably heard terms like retinol, tretinoin, vitamin C, or azelaic acid thrown around like confetti. And if you've ever found yourself thinking, wait, aren't these all kind of the same thing? You're not alone. Today, we're breaking it all down in a way that's super simple and actually helpful. We're talking about what each ingredient really is, how they work, what they treat, how to layer them without destroying your skin barrier, and most importantly, how to get that glow without the guesswork. So grab a drink, cozy up, and let's talk skincare like we're just chatting over brunch. Let's start with retinol. This one's been a skincare buzzword for years, and for good reason. Retinol is a form of vitamin A, and it belongs to the retinoid family. Now, retinoids are basically compounds that help your skin shed old cells and regenerate new ones faster. So think of them as your skin's reset button. What makes retinol special is that it's accessible. You can find it in drugstores, skincare shops, and online without a prescription. It's used to treat everything from acne and blackheads to wrinkles, fine lines, and hyperpigmentation. It smooths out texture, improves tone, and over time, gives your skin that youthful, fresh from a facial glow. But here's the thing, retinol is strong, especially if you've never used it before. That's why most dermatologists recommend starting with a lower concentration and applying it just once or twice a week. Always use it at night, because sunlight breaks it down and can irritate your skin. And please, don't skip the moisturizer after. Retinol can dry you out like nobody's business. Also, sunscreen is a must the next morning, because your skin is more sensitive to UV rays when you're using retinoids. Now, if retinol is the over-the-counter little sister, tretinoin is the big sister that means business. Also known as Retin-A, tretinoin is a prescription-only form of vitamin A. It's way more potent than retinol and works faster, which is why it's often used for treating moderate to severe acne, as well as signs of aging like deep wrinkles or sun damage. Tretinoin speeds up your skin's cell turnover like crazy, and it also helps boost collagen production, which is basically the stuff that keeps your skin plump and firm. It's powerful, no doubt, but it can come with some side effects, especially in the beginning. Think dryness, peeling, redness, and something called purging, where your skin gets worse before it gets better. Totally normal, but definitely not fun. You'll usually need a prescription to get it, although there are some online dermatology services that offer it after a quick consult. And just like with retinol, less is more. A tiny pea-sized amount is enough for your whole face. Start using it a couple of nights a week, and always pair it with a gentle moisturizer. Never skip sunscreen either. Tretinoin makes your skin way more vulnerable to sun damage. One quick tip. Don't mix tretinoin with vitamin C in the same routine unless you're really experienced and your skin can handle it. These two are powerful, and combining them can sometimes do more harm than good. All right, let's shift gears and talk about one of my personal faves, vitamin C. This ingredient is basically a brightening superstar. It's a powerful antioxidant, which means it protects your skin from things like pollution, UV rays, and environmental stress. But even beyond protection, it actively helps fade dark spots, even out your skin tone, and give you that healthy, lit-from-within glow. Vitamin C also stimulates collagen production. Yes, collagen again, which helps keep your skin bouncy and smooth. One of the best things about vitamin C is that it layers beautifully in a morning routine. You use it right after cleansing and before moisturizer and SPF. In fact, it actually makes your sunscreen work better by boosting its effectiveness. Now, not all vitamin C serums are created equal. L-ascorbic acid is the most effective form, but it's also the most unstable, so it can oxidize quickly. That's why it's best to choose products in dark glass bottles or airless pumps. If you've got sensitive skin, try a gentler form like magnesium ascorbyl phosphate or ascorbyl glucoside. You'll still get the brightening benefits, just without the sting. Now let's talk about azelaic acid, the unsung hero of skincare. Seriously, if you haven't heard much about it, that's probably because it doesn't get the flashy marketing, but it deserves so much more hype. Azelaic acid is a naturally occurring acid found in grains like wheat and barley. It's got antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and exfoliating properties, but in a super gentle, non-irritating way. That makes it perfect for people with sensitive skin, rosacea, or inflammatory acne. This acid is amazing at calming redness, shrinking pimples, and fading the dark spots left behind by breakouts. It even works on melasma, which is one of the toughest types of hyperpigmentation to treat. You can use azelaic acid in the morning or at night, and it plays well with pretty much everything else in your routine. You'll find it in over-the-counter products at around 10%, or you can get it prescribed at 15 to 20%. It's lightweight, it doesn't sting, and it's safe for pregnant or breastfeeding people too, which is a huge plus. So, can you use all these powerhouse ingredients together? The answer is yes, but you need to be strategic about it. Throwing all of them on your face at once is a recipe for a damaged barrier and a whole lot of regret. But when used correctly, they actually complement each other beautifully. Here's a simple way to think about it. In the morning, you want to protect and brighten, so that's when you reach for your vitamin C. Cleanse your skin, apply your vitamin C serum, follow up with a moisturizer, and always finish with sunscreen. That combo alone will give you glow, protection, and collagen support. In the evening, it's all about repair and regeneration. One night, you might use retinol or tretinoin with a rich moisturizer. The next night, swap that out for azelaic acid. It'll help calm your skin, fade dark spots, and reduce redness. And then, this is key, give your skin a night off once or twice a week. Just moisturize and let your barrier do its thing. If you're a skincare newbie, I recommend introducing just one active at a time. See how your skin reacts before layering in another. And always listen to your skin. Tightness, peeling, and stinging are signs you might be overdoing it. At the end of the day, skincare isn't about trends or trying to use every product on the shelf. It's about building a routine that works for you. These ingredients, retinol, tretinoin, vitamin C, azelaic acid, they all do incredible things, but they work best when used consistently and thoughtfully. Start slow, be patient, and remember that good skin takes time. Even the most viral transformations took weeks or months. You just saw the highlight reel. Your skin is unique, and your journey will look different than anyone else's. That's okay. And if something doesn't work for you, ditch it. Skincare should feel good, not stressful. All right, skincare fam, that's it for today's deep dive. I hope you feel more confident and a little less overwhelmed about using these powerhouse ingredients. Let me know in the comments which of these you've tried or which one you're most excited to add to your routine. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS skincare advice, and share this with a friend who's stuck in the skincare spiral. Stay glowing, stay hydrated, and I'll catch you in the next one.